Hi there and welcome. Cauliflower pizza crust. I see this all the time on Facebook, people raving about it. I am not a fan of cauliflower and I need to see for myself what the big hype is. I'm stealing this recipe from Dr. Berg here on YouTube, but I'm going to add a couple spices to the crust. You are going to need a pizza pan for this or some shallow dish that will fit into your air fryer and that is oven safe. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. All right, let's see how this cauliflower crust turns out. So I have 1 cup of grated cauliflower. I am going to add 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese to that. And I have 1 slightly beaten egg. Add that also. I'll go ahead and mix this up. I am going to add a few spices to this here in a second. Now I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. I have about a half a teaspoon. And I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Give that a mix. So I took some parchment paper and cut it out to fit my pizza pan. It's not the best. I'm going to crumble this up, because this will make it lay flat in here. So if you don't have parchment paper or don't want to use it all together, I suggest spraying your pan very well with some oil. Otherwise, this crust is going to stick. Now we're going to add some of our cauliflower mixture. This actually might be enough for 2 of these pizzas. I'm going to spread this out towards the edge. I'm pushing down as I'm spreading it out towards the edge. You want a nice thin crust. And that looks good. Now we need to bake this first before we add our toppings. So we'll go ahead and put this in here. And we are ready to pop this in the air fryer. I set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. I will let you know how long it took. We are looking for a nice golden brown color. Okay, this took the full 10 minutes. This is the color that we are looking for, is a nice golden brown. I'm going to take my little silicone thing here, take this out, and then we can top our pizza. Okay, I'm going to use Rayo's, I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, pizza sauce. If you're doing keto, you're going to want low sugar and carbs, so keep an eye on that. This is the best one I could find, and I was kind of in a hurry, so I didn't go through everything. You can also use a spaghetti sauce. Just keep an eye on them sugars and carbs. Put some here on our pizza. This crust actually smells wonderful for being cauliflower. Not bad at all. Now I'm going to go into my shredded mozzarella cheese. Some pepperoni. Perfect. A few black olives. And some jalapenos. I love jalapenos on my pizza. Okay, we are ready to pop this back in the air fryer. I'm going to get this back into my basket. I just took a taste of this. Amazing. Okay, all we want to do here is melt our cheese. I have it on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. I'll let you know how long it took. Okay, our 2 minutes is up and this is ready. I'm going to plate this up and we will take a taste. This crust does not seem very crispy. All right, let's see how this tastes. All right, this is another one where I'm kind of blown away. This is actually delicious. I would have never guessed that this is cauliflower. As I said at the beginning, I'm not a fan of cauliflower. But this is actually delicious. Mm-hmm. Oh, I failed to say, it is not crispy. It's not soggy. It's just soft. Gotta tell you, I really didn't have high hopes for this. Like you just heard me say, this is absolutely delicious. I will definitely be making this again. You cannot taste the cauliflower whatsoever. You taste the mozzarella cheese and the spices that are in the crust. I'm going to be making a batch of this. I'm going to pop them in my freezer. When I want it, they are there. If you are looking for more air fryer recipes, here's a few more you can check out. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.